Hello everyone, in this video we will learn step by step how to use the slicing string feature, which is often used in Python. Before continuing, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. A string variable is created in the script file. I have previously specified all the indexes of the string variable on the screen. We will access the indexes of the string variable using this table. First, let's print the entire created string variable to the console with the print command. We can access all indexes of string variable. It can access the third index first. We can do this using square brackets. We can also reach the same letter by using the negative value. Let's access the seventh index. I get the same letter using the negative value. We can use the same method to reach blank data. Let's do the same operation using the negative value as we did for the others. We can print a certain part of a string object as a block. For example, let's print the turtle string to the console screen. To do this, I will specify two index values. It will print all the data between the specified index values to the console screen. 5 did not print the index. We need to use 6 to print the fifth index. Pay attention to this. Let's do the same with negative values. Let's print the code string to the console screen. We faced the same problem. We can solve this using the value 11. Let's do the same using a negative value. We cannot do this using a value of -2. Let's try to do it using the value 0. It didn't happen again. To do this, we need to use the value 11. In this video, we learned how to use the slicing string feature, which is often used in Python. Thanks for watching.